Sandra here with Thrift Life. Go to thrift.life, go to fabulousfindsad.com also and check us out. We are here at Alpha Omega in St. Augustine, Florida. The thrift store. The thrift stores are open again. Thank God. Yes. But anyway, due to COVID, you know that they've all had problems. And right now, more than any time ever, they are in need of your help because so many more people are in need of these thrift stores and what they do for the community. So start going back to the thrift stores and purchasing your stuff there and support your local community. By doing so, you get great deals. Halloween is coming. Ah, they have all the stuff for Halloween. We're going to go to some other stores. Oh, I missed that one. I think I would fit in that one too. But anyway, so I don't know what I am. Leonardo, somebody told me. And this is my new one. So, thrifters, keep on thrifting. We're going to go to another store and see what they have for Halloween too. Come on, follow me. Hey, we are now at St. Vincent de Paul's thrift store in St. Augustine, Florida. And look at all the Halloween stuff. Oh my gosh, they have sizes from XXL all the way down to infant here. Tons of Halloween costumes. Thrifters, keep thrifting and support your local community by shopping and having fun. We're going to go to another store. See you in a minute. Bye! Hey, it's me again. Still doing the Halloween videos. We are at Haven Hospice in St. Augustine, and it's US 1 South. You can find them on the Thrift Life map also. So, thrifters, come on out here. Their selection of Halloween wear is unbelievable. Look at all this. For little kids, again, all the way up to 2, 3X. It's just, this is so much fun. Wigs, they have decorations. Everything that you would need for Halloween is here at Haven Hospice in St. Augustine, Florida. Thrifters, keep on thrifting, and we will go to another store. See ya.
Yeah.
Okay, we are here at Sertoma in St. Augustine, Florida. You have to come here and see their decorations for Halloween. They've got them all out. They've got tons of them. They do have some gowns and stuff. Also, Halloween costumes for little ones. A lot of them are brand new, still in the package even. Check it out. Oh, wow. Why pay full price when you can come here and get it for a fraction of the price? Thrifters, keep thrifting. Halloween's coming up. Please support your local nonprofits here at Sertoma in St. Augustine. I'll see you in a little bit. Bye. We're here with Thrift Life, also Fab Finds, fabulousad.com website and Thrift Life website. Both have all the stories, where the money goes when you shop your local nonprofits. Right now we are at St. Gerard House, and it is 1333 South Dixie Highway in St. Augustine, and we're doing a Halloween thing. So I'm on fire, and I always wanted to graduate, so I don't know from what, but they have so many costumes here and some fun stuff for Halloween. They have a lot of wigs and hats and stuff in here, but come on down and support your local nonprofit. Read their story and where the money goes when you do shop here. Just pan around and see all this great stuff outside of the Halloween. Every day it changes. So thrifters, keep on thrifting, and I will see you at the next store. Can you see me? Hi! It's Sandra with Thrift Life, and this is so pretty. My size too. 20 bucks. We're at Community Resale store in St. Augustine, Florida. We're doing a Halloween clip here also. They've got all kinds of decorations out here on the table. They've got some outfits and kids costumes. But you gotta get going now for the Halloween stuff because it's going fast. But Community Hospice here in St. Augustine, the thrift store. A lot of people don't know where it is. It's right on US 1. It's so easy to find, across from the Citgo gas station, down the street from Target, across the street. But people, come here and support them, read their story online, and we will see you again in a minute. Bye! Hey, now we are at S.A.F.E, the thrift store for the animals. It's to save them from euthanasia. I love this store and what they do for the animals. They have some in here. But you have to come here and shop for your pets. Why would you pay full price for anything? Look at all this for your pets. I mean, this is awesome. And you're also helping your local community by helping the animals. They have Halloween costumes for your pets. I tried to put this on, it didn't fit. But anyway, they got the cutest. This one I like. All these little Halloween costumes, small, medium, large, extra large, all in sizes. Dress up your pet for Halloween, take them trick-or-treating, or just take them out to get some attention. I love it. So come on down to S.A.F.E in St. Augustine, Florida. It's right by 312, and you will find some great deals for your pets. Thrifters keep thrifting. I'll see you in a bit. Okay, we are here at Betty Griffin in St. Augustine, Florida, rounding up the Halloween. It's kind of like a little tour through the thrift stores to show you what they have for the Halloween coming up here this year. And the stores have some amazing stuff, and if you can't figure out what you want, just make up your own. I have no clue what I am. If you can guess, that'd be great. But anyway, thrifters keep thrifting. Go to thrift.life. You can read the story of all the local nonprofits, where the money goes when you shop these stores. So keep supporting them. And why would you go buy new? This is so much fun. They've got all kinds of decorations too, all the kids' outfits. You know, come on down and get them before they go. And thrifters keep on thrifting. Thrift.life. Check out the interactive map. You can find directions to all these stores in St. Augustine. Thrifters keep on thrifting. Love you. See you later.